So $530 for the day, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. I got on Tesla 320, on Meta 300, and a couple other names. I'm gonna show you those two though. So let's start off with Tesla, right? So I got in here, got out here, got in here, got out here, got out here, shorted up here, got out right here. And Meta got in here, got out here, got all of it out here. It came down, got in here, got out here, got out here. Okay, so how did I do that, right? What did I see? What was going on? Okay, as you can see, if you look at Tesla, this here, previous support, right? It's been hitting here. It jumped off of here. And if it comes down, most likely it's going to go and it's going to respect this and go up. So let's look at what we saw, right? So pre-market. Now it all starts with pre-market. Please start your day with pre-market. Like I was up 10 minutes before the market opened, and this is what I did. Okay, so resistance, 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 right? Mark that. That's a level. Mark that level. It came down, and I seen it popped up. Note that it popped up. Wait. It came down, started wicking down here. Wicking, wicking, wicking. Wicking, 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 wick. And I seen the green candle. Well, I actually got in right here. And when I seen this green candle pop up, I was like, this is gonna go. Got doubled down right here. Popped up. Remember our level? That's why we mark our level. Got out here. Now, it's gonna retest. It always retests. Most likely it retests. So it comes down. What is this? This has, when it does this, that's confirmation, right? That's confirmation. The ticker is telling you, you know what, or the market is telling you, this graph is telling you this is support, and we're respecting this, and we're not going down. We're respecting this. So it came down, respected it. It came down again, respected it. So definitely get in down here. I didn't get in down here. I got maybe up right here when I seen this green candle. And then I got some out here. It was looking a little weak, but I got some out here. Got some out here. And by this time, I had to take my son to school. Yeah, it's hard. Day trading, school, family, job, full-time job. Like, I'm trying to juggle it, but it's hard, right? So I had to get out. I wanted to hold. I actually wanted to hold this. I knew it was going to go up. I had actually a stop up here, but I knew it was going to go higher. So by this time, I'm driving, right, to work, whatever. It came up here. This was a resistance, so I shorted and got out here. Well, that was that. Made 320. So once it determines, right? Remember, this is a major support area. Once it determines that we bounce, it just inches all the way up. Okay. There's plenty of places to get in. Also, you could have got in down here. You could have got in off the VWAP. Notice as it jumps off the VWAP, it'll never touch back down again. All right, let's go to Meta. So Meta was doing this ascending wedge. I think that's what it's called, ascending wedge. So it was doing this potato wedge, whatever it is. I don't know. I don't do those. I don't really do that pattern type stuff. I don't trade like that. So this is how you trade, right? Pre-market. So pre-market, what did we see? resistance here, mark it. I seen resistance here, mark it. Now we mark this because if it blows past this, right, the sign is likely that it's probably gonna move up. Okay, let's go to the 1 minute. I'm gonna show you exactly what was in my brain at the time. So resistance, it popped, right? Let's go in. Let's dissect. Okay, it popped up and it came down. You notice I didn't trade any of this. I just you watch, right? Now there are times in setups that you do get in right at open. I'm gonna show you that on another video, not this video. This was a watch. You have to watch this, okay? You have to watch this at the open. It went up. Okay, that's a clear signal. Came down to retest. Came up on that. Made a structure. See this? This is like a structure right here. And it bounced off of this. Once it bounces off the VWAP, saw this green, I took it. I got in right here somewhere. Took it to here. Why did I take it to here? Because there was, as you can see, resistance. And then I got most of it out here. I mean, all of it out there. And want to know what's a funny thing? I actually shorted. I shorted up here. Seen these wicks? It was a resistance level. I seen these wicks and I'm gonna short it. But I got out here. Why? Because at this time, I'm taking my son to school. Oh, this move would have been so nice. I don't know, but it looks nice. I wouldn't have caught that, but that looks nice. Anyways, came down, right? Now what? Now these shorts, they're going to cover. They're going to cover. Came back down to the bottom wedge, popped up, formed a structure here, popped up, came back down, respected this structure here, started doing a little ascending triangle, huh? And when I seen this pop right here, green, I went in. My stop was like, I think right here. Anyways, it popped, it went up, inching up. I got some out here for the safe side. Now, I always get out a little bit. You always got to get out a little bit. Then I got all of it out here. Took the VWAP, you know, and this right here. This was a, you know. And yeah, that's it. If I just want to make trading simple, you know what I mean? I've seen all these other traders and they just like make things difficult when it's really just some simple things that you do. And you like I said, mark your levels, right? Let's look at meta. Mark your levels, watch it, see what it does. Go in. Anyways, I want to make it simple. Tomorrow I'm going to trade also, and I'm going to try to make a video, and I'm going to show you how simple it is. I want to keep it simple. All right?